got it. Yo, just land it. Okay. Okay.
Yo, tail.
Hey, yo!
You're fucking gay. You're mad fucking gay.
That was it! On a scale of 1 through 10, how vegan are you?
Vegans are faggots, so negative 200. Get out of here, bro.
Eat it.
Get out of here with that vegan shit, yo. What are you doing, yo? What are you doing?
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Go.
We need backup. 1, 2, 1, 2. We need backup.
Okay, but so I take a picture, act like
we don't need no trouble. That's why I tell you very nicely.
yeah, but you don't gotta take no pictures, guys. Please understand.
Because
Grown
they're
people
taking
here too, you know.
They're taking picture too. That's
It's nice videos.
But it's all good though.
Not
Take
pictures.
worries. Thank you.
You have to take a tag. I'm just so sad.
Oh!
Holy shit.
Go, do it.
Wait, never mind. Fucking bad. Literally so nasty.
Yo, it's like too.
We're like right next to the trial. Trying to go to the trial.
Oh.
I offered him $200.
Nah, I wouldn't do it.
Really?
Hell no, where are you gonna get out?
Anywhere.
No. Wait, so usually we can't go here?
What's that?
We can't go here usually?
No. That's why this gate is here. This is for the guy in the deckhand. This is for the deckhand. If they come in with the boat and then they lower this, and the deckhand comes out and he opens the gate. No one's supposed to go past it. That's not, I mean, they should have a sign that says that.
Beefaroni, beefaroni, beefaroni. You know where Shotland Avenue is?
Shot.
Shotland.
Shot.
Because this boat, somebody told us that this boat goes there. It's like where shop people live.
Wait, what's that?
Like Shotland.
But I won't do my scooter.
Shaolin.
Yeah.
Oh, you're talking about like Staten Island?
No.
When I've heard Staten Island, I've heard Shaolin. I've heard that.
It's like people eat a lot of beefaroni over there.
What's that?
Beefaroni over there. Like beefaroni over there.
Yeah, man, what's the fucking going, bro?
Oh!
Yeah, my nigga, stop playing with me, bro. If you want to take the camera your way.
FIFA only dicks. You just got shit on your bag. You just got shit on your bag.
That's
And it's in your hair.
No, it's not.
Let me see.
I know it's not.
It's right there.
Where?
Right there. Nah, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, Dan! Woo! Move, Angel. Oh!
Are you done, nigga?
Woo! Oh, they move.